Copper & Soul is marketed as an online store offering stylish products, boutique branding, and attractive deals that can make the items look hard to resist. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every online boutique store is automatically fake. Some smaller brands are legitimate businesses, still building their reputation. What it does well, the products can look attractive. Professional product photos are designed to create a premium impression. The website may look professional. Modern e-commerce designs can create a polished shopping experience, where the concerns start appearing. A polished website does not guarantee reliability. This is the biggest issue. Professional-looking stores are easier than ever to create. Heavy discounts can create artificial urgency. Constant limited-time sales can sometimes be a warning sign. Product photos do not guarantee real-world quality. Marketing images may not always match what customers actually receive. So, should you buy from Copper & Soul? Short answer, proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately call it fake, but shoppers should avoid assuming premium branding automatically guarantees product quality and service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.